IoT applications such as wearables, home automation, personal medical devices, and many industrial sensor nodes use a similar set of sensors for environmental monitoring and motion detection. Many of these are also battery-powered, making power consumption a critical consideration. The STMicroelectronics SensorTile.box PRO, available from Mouser Electronics, is a ready-to-use kit in a small plastic box designed for portability. The kit includes the kit board, a LiPo battery, a wireless charging coil, and 2 touch electrodes that mount to the outside of the plastic enclosure, with the whole kit able to fit in the palm of your hand. The kit board is based on an ultra-low power STM32U5 series MCU, with a 160 MHz ARM Cortex-M33, advanced graphics capabilities, and robust security to protect the application code and data from tampering or snooping. It also features a Blue Energy LP Bluetooth Low Energy Wireless SoC and an ST NFC tag. This is complemented by user interface hardware, wired and wireless charging, a variety of ST environmental and motion sensors, a digital microphone, and electrodes for touch and slide controls. Users can add sensors not present on the original kit via the available DIL24 connector. The SensorTile.box PRO can be used in Entry, Expert, and Pro modes to support different levels of developer experience. Entry mode uses the ST-BLE sensor app to allow users to run predefined embedded IoT applications, demonstrating sensor performance and various functions. Expert mode also uses the ST-BLE sensor app, but users can generate custom apps that configure a sensor, process the data using one or more built-in algorithms, and then display or store the result. Pro mode uses the STM32 ODE and ST function packs for rapid and intuitive development of custom applications. Learn more at Mouser.com.